Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is another episode of Burgh Unboxing. And another edition of my paranormal book collection. Okay, I did not have book 2 of this, and now I do. UFO Hunters, Volume 2, William J. Burns. And let's see, they have a bookmark in here. Book outlet, $4 off when you spend 20 or more. I can't even read it. And I can't read the small print very well. Still no improvement of my vision. We will deal with that on the 18th with my doctor. So, no pictures in this, but I will read this on the train. Save this for the train trip. UFO Hunters, Hoax or History. So, book 2 is a stay-up late page turner, said Art Bell, host of Midnight in the Desert. Rest in peace, Art Bell. Alright, that's it for this one. UFO Hunters, Volume 2. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Stay wet, dry, cool, or warm, as the case may be, and stay safe out there. And I'll be back in a minute with another video. Bye-bye for now.